Did you know that the NARS Multiple got reformulated? If you've had it before, you know that it is more like shimmery, metallic, so they've reformulated it. I believe now I don't know if the other one had talc in it, but I understand that NARS has moved away from putting talc in any of their products. That's why a lot of their eyeshadows disappeared, their blushes got reformulated, and I have one of the new shades. This is an Orgasm Crave. I got this at work as gratis, so I didn't pay for it. I will say this, I swatched them at my job and I immediately was like, I hate this. This is horrible. I don't like the finish. It's so matte. And then I had a couple of customers come in, and anybody definitely that has oily skin or just wants like that blurred like makeup look, like, let me see something. Is this made in Korea by any chance? Because that's what it reminds me of. It reminds me of like how now it's trending. Yes, it's made in Korea. Okay. So that cloud matte moussey makeup kind of look that everybody's got like something, that's what you get with this. But this is in a stick form and it's from NARS and it is made in Korea. So my suspicion has been confirmed. So I originally hated it, but then I put it on a couple of customers and I was like, oh my God, I think I like this. So I changed my mind about it. I prefer a more dewy blush. I'm gonna try this one on myself. The color that really looks beautiful though on a lot of people is the color Sinful. I don't have that one, I just have this one, so I'll swatch it. But it is very different from the old Multiple, I will say that. So this is what it looks like. And that's kind of like, I just want you to see. So this is the Orgasm Crave. It does have like that little bit of a glow like, you know, Orgasm usually does, but if I blend, you see how it has like that blurred, like that's what it has. And I want you to look very close. See how my hands, like that part of my hand has like little tiny fine lines. So it does like, it gives that really pretty like blurred effect. The thing is, I don't know that this color is gonna be a good match for me, but formula wise, I can tell you it is really nice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to, you can take with your finger like this, you can take with a brush, but and I'm just gonna tap and blend. This formula is cool too. You can do eyes, lips, cheeks. I have a feeling that this is gonna be too light for me. Let's see, I'm gonna put a lot on my hand like this, and I'm gonna take my brush and sort of pick it up and see what happens. So it has a, like more of a matte finish. Okay, I don't love the color on me. I don't think it's enough color, but it's not terrible. This is a very like, if you don't like blush, let's try directly on the face. If you don't like blush, but you want a little bit of color, this is a good color. So when I put this on somebody, I think they had like homecoming or something, and I put it on and the girl had, her skin was like oily, definitely like a little more acne prone, and I put this on and the way it just brightened up her face was really nice. So I do like the other color selections that they do have. It was nice. It was nice. I put it on her and I was like, oh, I'm so surprised. And then I had another person who also had oily skin, and I put on, I forgot what color it was, but she was, I want to say she was African American, but she was like that tan, like deep skin, and the color just really brightened up, and it just worked really nice for the undertones. So what am I getting at with saying all of this? The colors are really beautiful, and don't like this color that much, but I will take some to my eyes and kind of blend it out. It's pretty. So like kind of tying it all together, it does look nice, it does work. I did change my mind about like the formula and everything. It's actually a really pretty product. And very much like, and I'm just thinking like out loud or whatever. If you have like a teenager, for example, or somebody that's new getting into makeup, and maybe they want something that has easy control, this is actually really nice. So I'm not gonna put this on my lips because it's gonna make me look dead. Don't love the color, but the formula is nice. And even though I have dry skin, I'm not mad at it. I think if it was a brighter color, I would like it a little bit more, but I did want to share that with you guys. But kind of tying it all together between my eyes, my cheeks, and everything, it looks really pretty. So, if you were curious about that, I hope that helped. I hope it answered some questions for you guys. Yeah, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. I can't wait to hear from you guys. And let me know if you've tried this, or if you have any recommendations, or you want me to try something out, comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one.